Good morning, friends. Welcome to Bahu Automation Lab once again. In this lecture 5, we will see how to create a Java project. Inside that Java project, how to create the packages, and how inside that package, how to create classes in Eclipse. Okay. In the last lecture, we have seen how to download Eclipse and how to configure or install the Eclipse in your system. What is the prerequisites to run the Eclipse programs like a JDK installation, everything. Still lecture 1 to lecture 4. Okay. If you not watched lecture 1 to 4, I'll request you to watch lecture 1 to 4 first and then come to the lecture 5. Okay. In this lecture, we will see how to create a Java project, packages and classes. One by one practically. So let's start with beginning. Okay, so how to create a project and how to create a package. Before that, we will see how to create a project and packages and classes. We need to see the architecture of Java projects and packages in Eclipse. So in one project we have many packages. Okay, whenever you create any project, we can create a multiple package inside that project, and one package, within one package we can create a multiple classes, multiple Java classes we can create. Okay. So first thing is that how to create a project. Let's see this practically in Eclipse. So I just open my Eclipse here. Okay, we have already seen how to install the Eclipse or how to run Eclipse in your system in last lecture, in lecture 4. Now we'll start to create a Java project. To create a Java project, just go to the new and click on Java project. So I'll create a one vehicle related project here, like project name is vehicle. Project name first letter should be capital always for best standards. Okay, just click on create if you've seen this here. Okay, so this is the vehicle project we have created in the Eclipse. Let's delete this module. It's not required here. Whenever you create a one vehicle project, the JRE system library is automatically you can see JRE system library are automatically included in your Eclipse project or Java project, whichever you have created. Okay, so in one project, what we have seen, we have a multiple packages. So how to create a package in project? So just right click on packages this time. First time we are in file and new project. This time we need to right click on this vehicle project and go to the new and create a package. Okay, so I'll create a package is like in vehicle. We'll create a package name like car. So package name should be always as a small letter. So I'll just write com.car. Okay, com is contained as a commercial. Okay, just click on finish. So in this vehicle project, we have now com.car as a one package. Okay, I'll create a one more package. As we have seen in one project, we have multiple packages. So this time I'll create a package name as a bike. So just click com.bike. Okay, so we have one project and multiple packages, like two packages. We can create a multiple packages, but for this time, for example, we are just creating two packages. As we have seen in the slide, like in one package we have multiple classes. So how to create a multiple classes in this package? So in bike package, I just creating one class. So how to create a class? Just right click on this package, go to the new and create this time as a class. So I'll give class name as a bike name as a Honda. Whenever we write a class, just ensure that your first letter of the class should be capital. So for the best practice. Okay, just Honda. I'll just write a Honda and click on finish. So class name as a Honda is created here. Okay, so what is this package? So package name is created here, like a package name is com.bike. Okay, and public class Honda. What is this public class? The highlighted keyword should be a Java keywords. Okay, it's defined it's as a Java keywords like this. Okay, and whatever keyword is showing in this color it's as a user defined keywords. Like we have defined this class name like Honda we have defined this package name like a pom.bike, and this is automatically generated by Java language. So with the public class is the Java keywords. So we have Panda as a one class in this bike package. Now we will create a one more class in this this package. The class name this time is showing as a Bajaj. Okay. Bajaj is the one more bike. The two classes is created in one single package. Okay, now we'll create a two more classes in this package also. So create a car as for a Tata, and create a car for Mahindra. Okay, so here we can see one project we have multiple packages like bike and multiple and car, right? And within one package we have multiple classes like Bajaj, Honda, and car package also Mahindra and Tata. Okay, so look like this is the architecture to Eclipse in create a project, to create a packages, and to create a classes. Okay, as per our slide, we have seen how to create a project in Eclipse, how to create a packages in Eclipse, how to create a classes in Eclipse. Okay, now we see the fourth and last point: Java main method creation and run a Java program to print hello Java. How to write a main method? I'll show you in the one class. Like I'll take one class, any one of this class from this. To write a main method, we need to write main and just paste control space bar. Okay, the main method of Java is created. What is use of this main method? I will explain everything in practically, but just create a main method here to run your first project. So what mean by this public, static, void, main, string args? We will explain in the next lectures one by one practically. What is the mean? This the public, this the static and void, whatever the keywords we define in this main method. Okay, we'll see this practically. To print anything on the console, we need to write system.out.println. So I'll just write here system.out.println. Okay, and what we want to print, we want to print as a hello Java. Okay, the Java main method is the heart of the system. Without a Java main method, we can't run any Java program. Like if I remove this control X, and if I right click on this, and if I try to run this Java program, there is no option showing here to run a Java program, right? If I write a main method, and after that I'll just printing some statement here like a hello Java, and if I right click on this time, and you can see here the Java run as Java application is option is showing. So I can able to run the Java program within a main method only. Without writing main method, you can't run any Java programs. So Java main method is very important point while we are running any Java program. So if I right click here, and if I click on run as a Java application, you can see the console output as a hello Java. So this is how the architecture look like: the project creation, the packages creation, and your class creation, and run your first Java program to print hello Java. Okay, so that's it for this lecture, guys. In next lecture, we will see Java variables practically one by one, how many types of Java variables and everything. Okay, till time, have a great day. Bye bye, take care.